My cheese cold. Here's a warm corner. Me to close me blink. Here, move on, you spalpin. Why should the kids asleep? Well, I let him dream on. Mugsy's on the job, Missy. I got the mutt. He ain't hurt.
Oh, thank you. Come home with me and my papa will reward you.
Why, Missy, I don't want nothing. You just got the cayoodle, and I got a smile. That's enough.
Oh, no, come in with me.
Here in the big house? Next, they wouldn't let me.
Oh, come on in. I want you to play with me. Peter, let us in. I have a new playmate. Come on in, Mugsy.
Golly gee, why, this is heaven. And you are just one of the little yellow-haired angels.
No, I'm not an angel. Sometimes I'm naughty and have to be scolded.
Just let me see one of them hand you anything and there'll be something doing.
See, this is my teddy bear, and here is my doll, and oh, here comes Peter with lunch.
Pipe the feed. Oysters on the half, turkey and stuffing. Why, it beats the Salvation Army on Thanksgiving.
Oh, how funny you talk. I wish you could play with me always, won't you?
What?
Won't you be my baby boy?
In a minute.
Won't you be my bunch of joy?
Sure.
There's a lot to learn.
You bet.
If your heart would yearn, just to be my baby boy, and to know supreme is joy. It's a chance, don't miss, so won't you try one little kiss? And be my baby, baby boy. And be my baby, baby boy.
Here, move on. Move on now, go on. Oh, all right, Sergeant. Oh, gee, me pipe is out. It was only a dream. Piper, Piper.